Why do promiscuous men don't get successful in life? Yo, what's up? So, first of all, promiscuous men means men who have random hookups with multiple women in their life, who sleep with multiple women in their lives. These are the men who can't get materialistically successful in their lives. Before I get into it, that why they don't become successful, I want to address one thing. There are a lot of self-proclaimed red pill coaches out there who are creating content that is specifically saying that you do this, you do that, and you become extremely good with girls. And they are just saying that the men who are not good with girls, the men who do not understand the game, they are beta males. Now that is absolutely bullshit. The reason is the society has changed. The main goal of a man in this society is not procreation right now. The main goal is becoming successful and serving his mission, his purpose in life. Because we have originated from animals where we have outgrown animals. Our basic programming is still the same, but the society has changed. Our primary goal is no longer just spreading the seed. Our primary goal is serving a purpose, that we are here on this planet and our lives have a value to it. And we are here to serve a purpose. So, first of all, the thing is, success is a very subjective term. You cannot just say that this is success. Success can be very different for everyone. So there can be men for whom sleeping with 100 girls is success. That is fine. There's nothing wrong in that. And there can be men for whom building multiple companies, running multiple companies, can be becoming successful in life. So it purely depends on how you define the success. But if you want a materialistic success in which you have multiple companies running, or if you want to reach the top position in a job like CEO or CTO, or any kind of massive growth in your job, whatever you are doing, you cannot do these things parallelly. You cannot be sleeping with 100 women and simultaneously becoming super successful materialistically. The reason is, human body has limited amount of energy, and every activity that you do in life consumes a part of your energy. So if you're dedicating your life on romanticizing with 100 women, sleeping with 100 women, ejaculating with 100 women, you are releasing your energy. That is why the people who follow NoFap tend to become successful in life. Why? Because they are conserving their energy. NoFap is not a magic. It's simple understanding that if you are not releasing the energy in form of jerking off, then that energy will be conserved. And if that energy is properly channelized, it will be used somewhere else. If you are going on a trip, if you are not again and again pressing the accelerator button, or if you are not jumping the RPM over 3000, then of course you will save some amount of fuel. Now you use that saved amount of fuel somewhere else, then that is how you channelize that energy. So in a similar way, think of yourself as a fuel tank. You have a very limited amount of energy in yourself. Now if you invest your energy in sleeping with 100 girls, 500 girls, whatever the superficial targets you have in your head, then you won't have the energy to invest in becoming successful. Now there is nothing wrong, understand this, there's nothing wrong in sleeping with 100 women, 150 women. There's nothing wrong in that. But you cannot do both the things at the same time. So if you're living in an illusion that, okay, let's get very good with girls and then I'll also become successful, that is not possible. That is not possible because of the limitation of energy. Yes, you can understand the game, you can understand how female psychology works, but you can literally not just spread your seed everywhere and then think that you will still have the energy to invest in your business or your job. Think like this: in the morning when you get up, you have 100% energy. You are a battery cell that has 100% energy. Now it depends how you channelize that 100% energy. You meet with 3 to 4 women, have sex with them, date them, take them to, you go to clubs, you party, you do whatever you want to do. That will take around 50 to 60% of your energy from your battery cell. The leftover is 40%. You can't build a startup or a company with a 40% energy left in you. Your only desire would be just to survive and maintain the lifestyle that is required, that requires 60% of your energy. So that is why promiscuous men don't become super successful in life. They just can't. Now there is nothing wrong about it, but if you are living in an illusion that you will be able to do both the things, then it's not possible. It's simply not possible. Either you choose success and dedicate yourself towards it, or you choose getting laid with 100 women, 500 women, 1000 women. But do not combine both of them. And the people who say that you can do both of them, you cannot. You can get very good with girls, you can understand their female psychology, but you cannot just sleep with 100 women and have a super successful business or get super successful in your job. And that is why I always say, practice NoFap. By practicing NoFap, you understand how you can conserve your energy and properly channelize that energy. Done.